Hello everybody and welcome back to the Little Gamer 81 channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can soft mod your Nintendo 2DS or 3DS. This works on all 3DS or 2DSs, so like the 2DS, new 2DS XL, 3DS, new 3DS, all those. Wait, and all you will need is your console, a PC, an internet connection, and an SD card. The SD card you want to make sure your SD card is like in your DS for this step, or that the SD card you're gonna use has been inside your DS at least like once. And once you've made sure you got all that, you want to make sure you're on the latest system version. You want to make sure you're on the latest version. So go over to system settings and wait for it to load. Then up here in version, you want to make sure it's 11.15. If it's not on this version, you want to go to other settings, go over to system update, press OK, then press I accept, and then it's going to update your system. But since I already updated mine, it's not going to do anything. It's just a waste of time, so I'm just going to close out of this for now. So now you want to power off your system. So, alright, there you go. Now, take out your SD card, and you need to go put this into your PC with either an adapter, or if your PC has like a built-in SD card slot. So, we'll see you then. So back on your PC, once you put in your SD card, this window should show up, and you just want to open up the Nintendo 3DS folder. And if you have like this folder private, just ignore that. You want to just click on this folder that has these 32 characters. Just click on it, then click on the name again, and then right click it, press copy. And now once you've done that, you want to right click on your SD card, like in the file explorer, press eject, and then you want to take it out of your PC, and you want to go put this back into your computer. So I'll see you there. So back on your 2DS, you want to get your SD card and put it back into your system. So put it back in. Alright, then power it back on. Alright, now what you want to do, you're going to come up here to the smiley face friend list and open it and touch on it to open it up with your touchscreen, or just press A to open it up. Now here, you need your friend code. It's this 12-digit code under your username and your me. And you want to take note of that. You want to take note of this because you're going to need this. So now we want to go back on your PC and just leave your DS on. So I'll see you there. So once you've got your friend code, you want to go to this website. It's called seedminer.hacks.guide, which I'll leave in the description as this shortened URL. And here it's going to ask you for two things: your ID 0 and your friend code. Your friend code, it was the code that we just got on your system, which was under your username and your me. So just put that in. I already put it in. And then your ID 0 is that 32 character name that we got from that folder. So you just want to right click on this box and press paste. Now you want to press go. What's going to happen is on the website, it's going to show this red box here. This step 1 is going to activate, and it's going to give you a friend code. So then on your system, you want to press this smiley face with the plus to register a friend. Then press internet, and then here you wanna put in the friend code that the that the website gave you. And after you do that on your PC, it should say like done, and then you just want to press download movable.sed. Then save it to wherever you're downloading it. And now you want to go back to your system. So I'll see you there. So back on your 2ds or 3ds system, you want to close out of the Friends app. Then you want to go to the eShop. Wait for it to load up. Just give it a minute. Wait for it to load up. Okay, and once it's done, you want to go down here and look for free to start. And tap on that. And here, you want to look for Pokemon Picross. So, tap on that. Then proceed to download. Hey, hold up, guys. Hold up. And as far as... Oh no. I'm gonna have to cut that out. Alright, so as far as I'm concerned, this method with Pokemon Picross will not work after the eShop closes down. So unless you have it unless you already own it and you could still re-download it, I don't know if that's gonna work or not. Anyways, you just wanna download it. Download it now. And just wait for it to download. So I'm gonna cut this and I'll come back to you guys when this is finished. And once the game is done downloading, just press the home button, close out of the eShop, and now power off. Oh wait, sorry. You wanna open up the gift. Open it up, then power off your system. Now you want to take the SD card out, and you need to go put this back into your PC. So I'll see you then. So back on your PC, after you put in your SD card, you should see this. So just open it here, and make a new File Explorer tab for your downloads. Oh no, what did I do? So downloads. Alright, so now you want to go back to Chrome, and I'll leave all these links in the description, and you want to go to Safe B9 Installer first, install this, save it to your downloads, and you can close out of the website, and you just do the same for the rest of these. So download bootstrap, the boot9strap.zip, and save it to your downloads. Now close out of the website, then luma3ds.zip, save it to your downloads, and then otherwrap.bin, and save that to your downloads. So now you want to go back to File Explorer, and the first thing you want to do is get the hold up. Get the other app.bin and drag it onto the root of the SD card. Then extract Luma 3ds. Get all these files, all the files that you see in the Luma 3ds folder, and drag them onto the root of your SD card. Now on your SD card, right-click, New Folder, and name this folder Boot 9 Strap. Then open this folder. Then on your PC, on your downloads, extract the Boot 9 Strap folder, or zip, and then grab everything that's in here and drag it over into that folder on your PC. And once you put in the files, close out of this. Then get the safe B9 and extract it. Then all you want to get is the safe B9 installer.bin, and just drag that onto the root of, drag it onto the root of your SD card. Sorry about that. Alright, then once you're done, keep these two tabs open. And now you want to go here to this pickaxe save tool, which I'll leave a link in the description to. You want to press choose file, and here go to your downloads or wherever you saved your movable.scd. So you want to open it, and then press build and download. And then just save it to your downloads, or wherever you want to save it to. Then go back on your SD card, press open up Nintendo 3DS, this folder, then title, then open up this 000400000. So open that up, open up the folder in there, I think it's data, and then here you want to drag this save file that's in your downloads, press replace file in this destination. Now eject your SD card, and now you want to go put your SD card back into your PC, so I'll see you there. So now back on your 2ds or 3ds system, you're going to put your SD card back in. Then power on your system. Then open up the app, Pokemon Picross. Just open it up. And what's going to happen is it's going to bypass the boot up of the actual game, and it's going to take you to here. On the bottom, you only want to keep going if on crypto status it says all checks passed. If not, you did something wrong and you gotta go back and do the steps again. But if you did it right, come up on the top screen, there should be this like set of like D-pad presses and a button you need to press. So just do that. So it's down, left, left, down, right, up, and then A. It might be different for you, but I'm not entirely sure. Alright, then press A to continue, and it's going to boot you up into the Luma 3DS menu, and you want to scroll over to Show NAND or User Stream in System Settings. Press A to check that, then press Start to save. And once you do that, it's going to boot you back into the home menu. I'll just wait for that open. Alright, so then once you're here, you want to power off your system again. And once it's powered off, you want to take your SD card and put it back into your computer. So I'll see you there. So on your PC, once you have put in your SD card, this tab's going to show up. If you want, so I would recommend just like putting it to the side, like just like pulling your mouse over here so that it like snaps that like to the half of the screen. And with the download, same thing, just like snap it. And if you want to make that tab for the downloads, just right click on File Explorer and then press Downloads, and it'll open up the tab for you. And you just like snap it to the left. Anyways, once you do that, open up Google Chrome, and you want to go to all these links. So it's for Anemone, Checkpoint, Universal Updater, Homebrew Launcher Wrapper, God Mode 9, DSP1, FBI, and CTR no time offset. I'm going to leave all of these links in the description. And all you want to do is, for Anemone, download the CIA, save it to your downloads, and close out of the tab. Then for Checkpoint, same thing, download the CIA, save, and close out of it. And up here, I'm going to put this link in the description, but there's a newer version that doesn't have the CIA. It's just this like NRO. I don't know how to run that. So if it takes you to the newer version, which is 3.8.0, just go up to the link and type and replace the 8 and 0 with a 7 and a 4. So it would be 3.7.4. And after you do that and download it, you can just close out of that. And Universal Updater, download the CIA, and save to your downloads, and close out of that. Then Homebrew Launcher, CIA, save that, close it, and then God Mode 9, just download the zip, and save it. DSP1, download the CIA, and save it. And here for FBI, you want to download the FBI.3DSX and the FBI.CIA. So just download both of those, close out of that, and then CTR no time offset, and just download the 3DSX. And once you got all that, you want to go over to your SD card and your downloads, and all your downloads are here. So on your SD card, right click, make a new folder, title this one CIAS, make another folder, entitle this one 3DS. Now back at your downloads, you want to select FBI.3DSX and CTR no time offset.3DSX. Now open up your 3DS folder, the one that we just created on your SD card, and then drag these two folders onto that onto the 3DS folder on your on the root of your SD card. Now open up Luma, and in here create new folder, title this one payload, and then open the payload folder. And now you want to extract God Mode 9. So just extract this, extract, and here you want to get the God Mode 9.firm, not the .firm.sha or the dev versions, just God Mode 9.firm. So drag that over onto the payload file that's inside the Luma file, and then you can close out of this. Now go back to the root of your SD card. And actually, no, don't close out of the God Mode 9 file. Drag this GM9 folder over to the root of your SD card. Once you do that, you can now go back and select all these CIA files, and then on your SD card, open up the CIAS folder, and then just drag, Then just drag all these files onto the into the CIAS file. Now once you've done that, you can delete all the files that are in your downloads, as they will be they'll still be saved in your recycling bin. So just press the trash can. Yes. Now you can close out of all these tabs and folders and eject your SD card or micro SD card, and then you're going to take it out of your PC and go put it back into your 2ds or 3ds. So I'll see you there. So back on your 2ds or 3ds, once you put all the files on your SD card, you want to go ahead and put your SD card back into your system, and then just power it on. Wait for it to load up. Sorry about that, guys. Simply, nothing. Alright, so open up system settings, because you need to do a system update. So open up other settings, then scroll over until you see system update. Press OK. Press I accept. Press OK. Wait for the internet. Just wait for it to do its thing. Press OK. And your system's going to sort of like. This is just, and you just gotta wait until you go back into the main menu. Then once you're here, open up Download Play. And then here, you want to press the L button down on the D-pad and select. So, alright. And once you do that, this Rosalina menu should show up on the bottom screen. Here, with the D-pad, you want to go down to Miscellaneous Options. Open that up. Then it's gonna already be the little arrow's already gonna be here. So just press A on the option that says switch the HB title to the current app. It should say Operation succeeded. Now press back. Press back. Press back again. Now close out of the download play, and then open it back up again. But now this time, instead of taking you to the download play, it's going to take you to here. So it's going to take you to the homebrew menu. So now just open up CTR no time offset. Wait for it to load up. Oh yeah. Press A to set offset to 0. Now press start to quit. Now open up FBI. Press A on SD. Now go over to CIAS and open that with A. Now here, press A on current directory. It'll already be selected. Then go down to install and delete all CIAs. So press A. And then with the touchscreen, press it or just press A. Basically what this is going to do, it's going to install all those CIA files that we put in that folder. It's going to install all of them so that we can access them directly from the home menu. And after that, we won't need to. And the deleting, it's just so that it saves memory on your SD card. Since you do that, press back, and you can just close out. Now here, just press OK. It's going to show you all your software. And here, just open up all this. Okay, now here, open up DSP1. And it's automatically going to do the setup. And then just press B, and it's going to delete itself. So now you have homebrew on your system. But before we finish, we need to do a few more things to permanently add it. So turn off your system, then press start and power it on. Just hold start, and this should boot you up into God Mode 9, if I'm correct. Hey, hold up. Come on. Alright. Yes. Hold up, guys. I'm having some technical difficulties here. Alright, guys. I got it fixed. Basically. And, if it doesn't load for you too, I named the file wrong. It's not payload, it's payloads. So at the end, just make sure to put an S. So just take out your SD card, make sure that's it. Anyways, once you've made sure that the file is named correctly, you wanna just load up God Mode 9. So hold start while you're turning on your system, and it might ask you if these essential file backups. Just press A for yes, and yes, and if it asks you for the time, just set the time right now. So my time right now is 12, 6, 17. Alright. So now here, press, I think, A for, hold up, guys. Let me just figure this out. Forgot what you need to. Oh. Alright, press home button. Press the home button. This is gonna show. Then go to scripts and GM9 megascript. Then go down to scripts from playlist guide and set up Luma 3ds to CTRNet. Press that. Press A to connect, and press A again. If it asks you for like something's locked, and to unlock it, just press A. Now press this button combination and the appropriate buttons, and once that's done, press A. Then go down to clean up SD card. This will just remove any leftover. It'll just remove any leftover setup files. And once you've done that, press A to continue. Then press back. Then backup options. Then sysnan backup. Press A, and it's going to start. And this is going to take a while. So I'm going to pause this, and I'll be back with you guys when this is finished. So see you there. So once your sysnand is done backing up, press A to continue. Press back. Now go down to dump options and select dump boot 9.bin and boot 11.bin. Press A again. Then press A to continue. Press back, and it's gonna say right permissions will change, relock them. Just press A, and then come back up here. and go down to S sysnand virtual. Press A. Then essential.exefs. Press A. And then copy to gm9/out. Press A. Okay, hold up, guys. Hold up. Alright, so if it says that you still have one, which you shouldn't, I don't know why it says that. Just press overwrite files. Press A. Press A to continue. And now once you've done that, press press the home button again, then press power off system. And now once your 2ds or 3ds is off, take out the SD card and you're gonna want to put this back in the computer for one last step. So see you there. So back on your PC, once you put in the SD card, which I'm about to do in a minute. And hold up. Give it a minute. Alright. So once you put in your SD card, go to GM9, then this out folder, right click it, and copy it, and put it somewhere where you can go back to it easily. I'm gonna put it into onto my desktop because my whole computer's just cluttered, so I'm just gonna put it on my desktop because that's where I can access things easily. Wait for it to finish. And skip. Oh no. Oh no, I moved it over here. Oh no. Now I don't know what's what. Darn it. Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna... Yeah, this is from my friend, because I had modded their DS2. So like... Oh, there goes their sysname backup. Alright, so anyways, just wait for this to finish. Finish copying over. Shouldn't take that long. Maybe about a minute, 30 seconds. Alright, and I'm renaming, and I'm just gonna rename this like 2DS backup. Alright, and I'm just gonna keep that there. Now here, back on the SD card, so open up that out folder, and these two bin folders, so the sysnand.bin and this other one, the sysnand.bin.sha, you can delete both of these because we have them backed up already, and that's just taking up room on your SD card. So now once you do that, you can just eject it, and that's pretty much it. Now your Nintendo 2DS is modded, and now, well, yeah, that's pretty much it. So now all you need to do is put your SD card back into your 2DS, and you're all set and ready to go. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, consider leaving a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.